Everyone, so I know you guys love to see what I buy. So this is a small haul, but it's a Shoprite haul, and I'm going to show you what I got. I got Land O'Lake eggs. These are good eggs, and they're on sale. They were $1.77. I got another one, but I left one cart in the garage fridge. I got my daughter here today. She's working from home, so she's helping me. And also, $1.77. I never buy eggs though. Mauro brings them home for me but he left already. He's busy with the new house, so I got my own eggs. They make these the best. They're sliced so thin, my pork cutlets. I always get them from Shoprite. Very good, nice and thin, easy. I got cotton candy grapes for my girl because she loves them. So good. They never look good, but they taste good. I got a pineapple 99 cents on sale with your Price Plus card. I got my yogurt parfaits, good or bad, I like them, and it's better than eating a cheeseburger or a Big Mac meal from McDonald's. I got honey bomb tomatoes because Mauro's going to make some fresh pasta that we made in Italy, and we're going to show you how to do that. I got some white nectarines, I got some peaches, I got some strawberries. I didn't get him chocolate donuts this time. I got red onions, because remember I was out when I was cooking. Yeah. I got watermelon. I got Kerrygold butter, the best butter. I got Parmesan cheese. I got pretzels, because me and Mary like to dip them in mustard. And let me tell you something. This Bowl in a Basket brand is great. I compare it to other brands, and it's good. And no, I'm not getting paid by Bowl in a Basket. I just want you guys to know what I like. I got turkey bacon. Their turkey bacon is excellent, Bowl in a Basket. Okay, I got these for my baby doggy, Biscotti, his mini bones. And last time when I got milk, someone told me, try the organic milk because it lasts longer. Because I always throw milk out. We don't drink a lot. So I bought the organic, and they told me to buy whole. So I'm buying whole milk from now on. I got these little baby potatoes. How cute are they? Yeah. What are they called? Nibbles. I'm going to nibble on them. I'm doing good though, believe it or not. I lost some weight. I'm really trying. Okay, I got drumsticks for biscotti. Listen, when I move back home, right now I'm at my shore house. I like to go to the butcher, but I don't have a butcher over here. So I got those, and I got wings, the winglets, because I'm going to make chicken wings, and I'm going to show you how I do those too. Love you guys.